welcome back to our channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified when we make new videos. Okay, so you guys, today we will be making edible slime. As you guys are
last time we made edible slime when we ate this edible slime.
So guys, if you have not seen that video, make sure you go watch that video right now. But let's get opening this. Wait, Shai, we have to show them what flavor we're gonna do. I'm gonna do blue raspberry. Shall we?
I'm gonna do this one.
No, Shai, I don't think we can make that flavor.
I think I'm gonna make this one.
This one makes these flavors down here, Shai. We can only make these flavors up here.
Whoa, that's so
red cherry.
Yeah, I want red cherry.
Okay. It didn't even come with that much stuff, you guys.
Yeah, look at these. These are just cool.
Let me see the box.
Whoa, sprinkles. Guys, we also have sprinkles, and these are whipped. We had it on the donut before. We had these on the donuts. Mommy, we already have these.
Guys, this is the flavor I'm going to be using.
And then I'm going to be using this color because that's what
Shai said she's going to use this flavor.
I'm going to use this flavor too, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to make mine good.
Okay, guys, so we're going to pour half of this.
And I'm going to pour half of this in my bowl.
Wait, give this again.
Guys, last time Scott said, let's get cracking when we was making a cake and Sky smashed her face in the cake. And that's what we did in the next video. So comment down below if you saw in that video.
Ooh, it looks like powder.
It's like sugar.
Okay, so make sure it's only half of it. Come on, Shai. I did yours already. No, not all of it. Not all of it. Just half of it.
Dirty.
All right, now here. Do spoonfuls of water. Don't spill the water. Don't spill the water. 2, 3.
Like this.
Don't go so fast.
Mommy said
4,
like this.
4.
Mommy said like this.
Now stir it.
Yeah,
Now
stir it.
Mix it all up. Mix it all up.
Mommy,
Mix it all up.
Mommy like
So it
this.
gets slimy.
I think
Like
it's
this.
Let me see.
turning into slime. I don't know. Start turning it to red slime. Oh, Mommy,
Mix it all up.
turning. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. I think it's gonna take a long time to turn it. Isn't it, Mommy?
Okay, stop. Go ahead.
So now
Four
Since
spoonfuls
we're
of
making
water.
this,
Mix
I'm
it
gonna
up.
mix
Mix
mine.
it up.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
oh, it's turning blue.
Mine is turning red. Wow,
Mix
this
it up. Mix it up.
smells
Let her
good,
get a little
too.
bit more water. Go
smells.
ahead. How many was that?
It
for you?
smells delicious. Smells like just like flavor.
And 4. And I'll mix it up.
No, let her get it.
Step.
Wait, hold on, Shai.
I'm gonna start mixing it up some.
Mix it up some more.
I'm gonna start mixing it up. Wow. Half of it is already turning. Wow.
Half of it is mine. Mine,
let me get
see,
some
look
more.
at mine. Mine is red. Mommy, look at this. It's red.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, guys. It actually turned red. Well, that means we get to take a spoon now.
Yeah, we need a little bit more water. Let's put some more water.
Some more.
Guys, mine is starting to turn. Okay, you guys, I am almost done. I think I just have to add
I
some
think I just need to add a little bit more slime.
water.
Whoa, mine is turning into it and Sky's not turning to it.
Ugh.
And it's so hard to do it.
Guys, mine is starting to turn into slime. Guys, mine's just starting to turn
Shy,
into
you're
slime.
good. You don't need no more water.
That's it? I think that's it.
Mommy,
No,
look.
that's
Mommy,
Bennett.
look. Mommy, look.
Let me see yours.
It's starting to turn into slime. Guys, look. It's starting to turn into slime. Because it's starting
Then
to
you gotta let it sit for 10 minutes.
Because it's starting. Alright, I think I should let it sit for 10 minutes. You guys. Shy, you need some help. Let me help you, Shy, you guys, a little bit.
That's so hard. How am I going to do
Alright,
this?
you guys.
Wow.
Guys, Shy smell like Starburst. You guys, so I'm helping out Shy's.
Yeah, but guys, mine's looks just like
How Shy's is.
mine
Shy's
smells
is,
just like some candy.
a little hard to mix. Shy, you might not have that much.
Sour. Mine still looks like sour.
I think Shy's is done. So we will see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, so you guys, 10 minutes is over.
Yeah.
So look at my slime.
I'm awesome.
So far.
Now we're done. Now the next one.
And now it's time
Yeah.
To play with it.
to play with it.
I'll play with it.
It really sprinkles out. I was gonna put.
My sprinkles.
You guys, I'm going to be using my sprinkles, right?
Actually, I'm going to use this sprinkle.
Hold on, let me open it.
Guys, look at this. It's so stretchy. See, it's not even falling.
Oh,
I think
I
that's
think
fine. Now you eat it.
Eat it then.
Go ahead, but let them see you.
I know, Mommy, look. I'm going to show them. Mommy, should I start up with this or no? Because I don't want to get my hands dirty. Because I do not like when my hands get dirty. So can I use something?
Something
Like
like
this?
what?
This time, because I do not want my hands to get dirty.
Well, how you gonna play with the slime then?
Whoa, sissy, look at my hands.
It's sticky.
Yes, sissy, that's why mine is sticky. Well, look at mine. Guys, I never tried this before.
It doesn't taste good.
You just take a bit.
It doesn't? It's nasty?
Try it.
No, I'm good.
Last time you said to try that.
Shy, you like it?
But I think I'm going to add some more sprinkles. Actually, all of them. Alright. See, Mommy, now it's going to be just be a waste of all of this slime.
The sprinkles, guys.
Do the sprinkles good?
They taste like, sprinkles, they taste like, I forgot what the name is, but the sprinkles, they taste like some type of candy. Oh guys, the slime looks good. As you guys can see, I didn't show you it. It looks good, as you guys can see. But it's nasty. The slime is nasty. The slime is nasty. It's good at the same time, but it's nasty.
How is it good at the same time, but it's nasty?
It's good, but it's nasty at the same time.
I don't know.
It doesn't taste good.
So is it good or it's nasty?
Well, I mean,
Eat it. Why don't you eat it?
no, I already tried it.
Well, why don't you eat it though?
I already ate it.
Eat all of
Try
it. Eat all
No,
of
you
it.
try it.
No, I'm
No,
good.
you try it. No, you try it. See, I'm not even eating this.
It don't really have a taste to it. Let me taste Shy's. Let me try Shy's.
Taste test.
Nah.
No.
Let me taste
Nah.
it. Show them the slime on your hands.
God, look at my slime.
as you guys can see, there's no slime in here because everything on Shy's hands is her slime. But I don't even have anything on my hands.
I'm just gonna go wash my